Hello guys, welcome back to my another vlog. The research Vivo has finally launched its new model Vivo v29e, which is now available in the market. Coming back to the camera part, it has two camera at the back. One primary camera is 64 megapixel with OIS, optical image stabilization, and secondary camera is 8 megapixel. So the best thing about this phone is in this range you are getting this AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. For example, you are fond of gaming or you are fond of watching YouTube, okay, watching videos, then what will happen? Definitely you're going to get a crystal clear quality here. So as you can see the clarity here. Also, let's talk about the design part. As you can see, this is so beautiful. So again, the Vivo has done a tremendous job in terms of design. इस फोन में आपको देखने को मिल जाता है 7.57 mm का थिकनेस विद कर्व डिस्प्ले एंड स्लिक डिजाइन, जो कि देखने में काफी बेहतरीन लगता है. The name of the color of the v29e is given by Vivo is Artistic Red. So this is the Artistic Red, and the magic part is when you expose this phone in UV light or in bright sunlight, the color changes from red to black. Isn't it interesting? So let me show you practically how it changes the color when we expose under the UV ray. Let's talk about the hardware part. In this phone you get the Snapdragon processor 695 with 8GB RAM, internal storage 128. This will be available in two variables, one 8x128 and 8x256GB. Both are available. So that is all about the v29e. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.